The retailer industry is basically very huge in India, and it has traditionally been a mom and pop industry, but we have been seeing the large format retail and the regional large format retail actually gaining a lot of importance. In fact, I have been through consumer industry, I have actually been through telecom industry, and today I'm in the consumer durable space. And there has always been this thing about when is going to be the LFR, the large format retail revolution, going to happen in India. One is already seeing that happen. And what typically happens in emerging economies is that whatever happens in the West, it actually catches up much faster in the emerging economies. So therefore the e-tailer revolution also. I was looking at some statistics the other day, and I was actually quite amazed to find that India is ahead of even developed countries in terms of the number of consumers who actually go online. As much as, for example, if you look at other countries, India is ahead in many ways. So very clearly this is catching up. Whatever one sees in the West actually doesn't take too long to catch up in India, and this kind of a thing is going to continue for a while to come. See, very clearly in our case, if you talk about the television or for laptops, basically the penetration is much higher in the metropolitan cities, and it is catching up in the lower rung of cities, the class 1 and the towns and below. And very clearly the thing is that while it is higher in metro, there is still a way to go in terms of how much we can still do. And therefore the marketing strategies will be different, but typically in terms of potential exists in both. So it's about the 4 Ps in terms of pursuit, purpose, and how does one really participate. The whole gamut of really looking at the consumer life, in the sense of how can I be in every aspect of consumer's life. So it's about the pursuit, about the purpose, about the presence, and about the participation, in addition to the 4 Ps of the traditional marketing. I believe that it is here to stay, and I believe basically that fundamentally there needs to be a better partnership clearly between the e-commerce and between the manufacturers and marketers, because at the end of the day it is here to stay, and products are here to stay, and both are here to stay as far as the life and of the consumer is concerned. I would still believe that the potential is not going to diminish, and the importance is not going to diminish, because each one of us has their own role to play. It might just be that the equilibrium might shift here one way or the other, but then the importance is not going to diminish.